As a project management expert, I understand that the success of any project hinges not only on meticulous planning and execution, but also on sound financial management. Integrating these two critical aspects of your business operations is paramount for efficiency, profitability, and sustainable growth. This often leads businesses to consider platforms that can bridge the gap between project management and accounting. Two prominent names that frequently surface in this discussion are QuickBooks and Zoho. While both offer solutions that cater to business needs, their core strengths and approaches differ significantly. QuickBooks, primarily known as an accounting software, has expanded its capabilities to include project management features. Zoho, on the other hand, offers a comprehensive suite of business applications, including Zoho Books for accounting and Zoho Projects for project management. The question then becomes, which ecosystem is better suited for your business? The accounting-centric QuickBooks with its project management add-ons, or the business suite approach of Zoho with its integrated accounting and project management modules? This article will delve into a comprehensive comparison, analyzing their features, ease of use, integration capabilities, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Understanding the core strengths. QuickBooks. At its heart, QuickBooks is a robust accounting software designed to streamline financial processes for small to medium-sized businesses. The strengths lie in comprehensive accounting features. QuickBooks excels in areas like invoicing, expense tracking, financial reporting, payroll processing, often as an add-on, and bank reconciliation. It provides a detailed overview of your company's financial health. Extensive third-party integrations. QuickBooks boasts a vast marketplace of third-party applications, allowing businesses to connect it with various tools for CRM, project management, e-commerce, and more. This flexibility enables users to tailor the software to their specific needs. Established ecosystem and support. With a long history in the market, QuickBooks has a large user base and a well-established network of certified bookkeepers and pro advisors, offering readily available support and expertise. Zoho. Zoho offers a wider ecosystem of business applications, with Zoho Books focusing on accounting and Zoho Projects on project management. Its core strengths include integrated suite of applications. Zoho's strength lies in the seamless integration between its various modules, including CRM, marketing automation, help desk, and, importantly, books and projects. This unified approach can streamline workflows and data sharing across different business functions. Project-centric approach. Zoho Projects is a dedicated project management tool with a comprehensive set of features designed for planning, tracking, and collaboration on projects. Ease of use and user interface. Zoho products are generally known for their clean and intuitive user interfaces, making them relatively easy to learn and navigate. Competitive pricing. Zoho often offers more competitive pricing structures compared to QuickBooks, especially as businesses scale and require more features and users. Deep dive into project management features. To determine which platform is better for project management, let's examine the specific features each offers in this domain. QuickBooks project management capabilities. While not a dedicated project management software, QuickBooks offers certain features to manage projects, primarily within its higher tier plans, Plus and Advanced, or through integrations. Project profitability tracking. QuickBooks allows you to track income and expenses associated with specific projects, providing insights into their profitability. This helps in understanding which projects are most lucrative and where costs can be optimized. For example, you can assign income from invoices and costs from bills and expenses to a particular project to see its financial performance. Time tracking. QuickBooks offers basic time tracking features, allowing employees or contractors to log their hours against specific projects. This is crucial for accurate client billing and for understanding labor costs associated with each project. Invoicing for projects. Creating and sending invoices based on project work, including billable hours and expenses, is a core function. QuickBooks allows for customization of invoices to maintain a professional brand image. Integration with project management apps. Recognizing its limitations in dedicated project management features, QuickBooks integrates with numerous third-party project management applications available in its App Store. These integrations can synchronize data like billable time, expenses, and invoices between the project management tool and QuickBooks, eliminating manual data entry. Popular integrations include Monday.com, Asana, and Trello. Zoho Projects features. Zoho Projects is a dedicated project management platform packed with features designed to manage projects of all sizes and complexities. Task management. Organize project work into tasks, subtasks, and milestones. Assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and track progress visually through various views like list, Kanban, and Gantt charts. Gantt charts. Visualize project timelines, dependencies between tasks, and critical paths to ensure projects stay on schedule. You can easily adjust task durations and dependencies directly within the Gantt chart. Resource management. Allocate resources, team members, to tasks, track their workload, and identify potential bottlenecks. This ensures optimal resource utilization and prevents over- or under-allocation. Time tracking and timesheets. Robust time tracking features allow team members to log billable and non-billable hours against specific tasks. Timesheets provide a clear overview of time spent on projects for accurate billing and cost analysis. Collaboration tools. Enhance team communication with features like project forums, chat, document sharing, and the ability to comment on tasks. This fosters a collaborative environment and keeps everyone informed. Issue tracking. Identify, log, assign, and track bugs or issues that arise during the project lifecycle, ensuring timely resolution. Reporting and analytics. Generate comprehensive reports on project progress, task completion, resource utilization, and budget adherence. Customizable dashboards provide real-time insights into key project metrics. Project budgeting and cost tracking. Set project budgets, track actual costs against the budget, and monitor expenses to ensure projects remain within financial constraints. Integration with Zoho Books. Seamless integration with Zoho Books allows for direct invoicing of clients based on track time and expenses in Zoho projects. Project costs can also be easily transferred to Zoho Books for financial reporting. Ease of use and user interface. The user-friendliness of a platform significantly impacts team adoption and overall efficiency. QuickBooks. While QuickBooks has evolved its user interface over time, it can still feel somewhat accounting-centric. Users familiar with accounting principles will likely find it intuitive. However, for project managers and team members primarily focused on project execution, navigating the financial terminology and features might present a steeper learning curve.